Hi! In front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher to activate it. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always go back by clicking on this area or swiping up. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!